Those are like the staple basics.
It's the quickest kitchen makeover ever.
But I will tell you that this enamel pitcher has my heart.
Mine too.
Because it's a nice chubby belly.
It does have a chubby belly. It's 3 quarts. It's a really good size. You know, when I was growing up, my mom insisted we have to have a water pitcher on the table.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous water pitcher.
A beautiful pour. We'll show you that in a second, but here's what I want you to know. I have 4 dozen in each choice, and then that's it. $23.80 gets it home. This one over here, look at the strokes on this one, right? Like nice big checks.
I love the chubby belly.
Courtly
I love
check,
this pitcher.
2 dozen to go around.
Iced tea, lemonade. What would you put in there?
Which one do you think is my favorite right now?
I can't imagine. Might be mocha check. What do you think?
I mean, I literally want to dress like this for the rest of my life.
Hold it up.
I know,
mean,
that's
you're
what I'm saying.
fashionista.
It's like,
wait
like,
a minute. What's going on? Did you dress for this show?
Don't you want this? It's like the best thing ever. Okay, so wait, how many of these do we have to go around, Brian? In the mocha, I have 2 dozen, and then it's gone. We have our
Sterling check. Now I can't keep a straight face.
I know.
This is what happens every time we hang out.
Listen.
Okay.
It's not a bad thing, right?
No, it's
That's
not.
a good thing. There's your sterling check. Here's your rosy check.
Love it.
Beautiful.
It is so sweet and beautiful.
Strawberry lemonade out of that would make my life happy.
Oh, what a lovely idea.
And then over here, there's something refreshing about this. Water out of this in the summer.
Water, iced tea, sangria, I don't know.
And I want to show you, I just want to show you the pour really quickly if we can. Come on over here with the camera and you'll see.
It really is a nice pour. I know that sounds funny, but when you design a pitcher, you want it to have a nice pour so it doesn't drippity drip drip everywhere. Isn't that nice?
Dripping.
Isn't that nice? It's a great shape. How about filling it with fresh flowers?
Oh.
What would be prettier than that?
Wait, did we do that?
And how about that? And how about that?
And it just appeared.
It just is there, but it is beautiful. I love using pitchers for flowers.
Oh, me too. Me too.
I really do.
I've actually used the tea kettle for flowers as well.
Now you're talking.
Lid off. All right, so listen, the spoon rests. I think this was like the spoon rest that sailed 1,000 ships.